everybody, today we got a big old pack of Trick or Trade Pokemon card game booster box. Well, booster bundle. But in this video, we will only be opening 4. So our biggest hit would probably be the Gengar because I really want that card. Alright. Why are packs so hard? Oh, there. Oh, it's split. Okay. Oh, gosh. Alright. I think the card trick is like 1 in the front, so, alright. We got a Houndstone. Ooh, Umbreon, that's cool. Ooh, that's cool. Holographic Darkrai, whatever his name is. Alright. First 3 cards, awesome. Please get the Gengar card. Or the Trevin, that would be cool. Or a Charizard. I don't think Charizard's gonna be in here. Oh boy, this is so hard. That was weird. Alright. I like Trick or Trade cards because of the little pumpkin. 1. Alright. I hope they all have hollows. This would probably be it. Oh, that's weird. Screamtail. Oh gosh, don't. Litwick. Sinistcha. Whoever Sinistcha is. It's pretty cool. It is a hollow. Can't argue with that. The last 2 packs of this video. Holy cow. Please get a Gengar. Also, subscribe if you want a chance to win one of these packs. We got a Charizard. That'd be awesome. Big card of them all. But that's our hollow. Is this the... Oh, it's different. Got a Graveyard. Oh, it's cool. A Houndour. Yes, we got it! Oh my gosh. Yes, we got the Gengar. Let's go. 3rd pack, I believe. Yes, 3rd pack. Wow. Now we are left with our last pack of the day. See if we can get a Trevenant. Why are these so hard to open? It's like... Okay, oh gosh. There's our hollow. Quaxly. Lampet. Teal Mask. Ogerpon. Alright. We got lots of good, we got lots of shinies. We got, of course, the Gengar. Wow. Subscribe. Okay. So we have lots more cards to open in the future. Subscribe if you want to see me open them all. Subscribe for a free pack.